How to add or remove Assistive Touch to the Accessibility Shortcut menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Next in here, tap on Assistive Touch to add it to the Accessibility Shortcut menu, or you can deselect it to remove it from the menu. Here, I will select it, and if I triple click on the side button to open up the Accessibility Shortcuts menu, in here, you can see the Assistive Touch menu item. And here, if I remove it, if I deselect it, if I deselect the item, then it will not be included in the menu here. And that's it. That is how you can add or remove it from the Accessibility Shortcuts menu. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.